Welcome to Nuocai LED Display factory. Here is the entrance and the main building of our factory. This area is the aging workshop for LED displays. These black boxes are flight cases used for packaging and transporting outdoor rental displays. We have the transparent display that can be adhered to shopping mall glass walls, which is currently very popular worldwide. We call it crystal film display with high transparency rate. These are outdoor transparent LED displays. No cube display, which can be customized according to customer specifications. Lego is installing screws on a transparent screen. These are the raw materials. On the second floor is the SMT workshop, the most crucial part of LED displays. Manufacturing, where chips and LED are installed, the components are firmly fixed on the PCB panel through high-temperature reflow soldering. This is our display showroom, showcasing various types of LED displays. Look at the interactive floor. It can show different images when interacting with people. Third floor houses the special shaped product workshop, producing various customer-shaped products. It's also where we age the crystal film displays. Thanks for watching.